What surprised us towards the end of last year was the Toyota Corolla Cross. The interest started to climb a couple of years back, but reached a real pinnacle towards the end of the last year when the Toyota Corolla Cross was launched. And as we stand here today, the Toyota Corolla Cross has seen growth of 33% year on year, which is phenomenal compared to other brands like BMW, VW, Mercedes, who are in negative territory. They're in a declining volume place in the used car market. The other surprise was the amount of pragmatism that the consumer is showing, and that comes through not only in Chinese vehicles but also in other vehicles that consumers are buying. For instance, like the Suzuki Swift. The Suzuki Swift has become almost a phenomenon in South Africa. It's flown off the shelves. The growth rate in the Suzuki Swift is over 30%, and it's really become the go-to car for the small vehicle market in South Africa.